AZ Toys presents a fun interactive toy learn and play puppy. Learning with this cute puppy will become easy and captivating like never before.
Hi there! I'm a cheerful puppy. Woof! Let's be friends!
4 educational songs. Listen, sing along, and learn letters, numbers, shapes, and colors.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
8 popular melodies. Listen and accompany by pressing on the puppy's nose.
Yeehaw! Mwah! I've got a very interesting book. It has such great pictures. Look!
Turn the page. Count the farm animals and learn curious facts about them. Listen to mixes with animal voices.
1 cow. Chicks hatch from eggs.
Educational songs. First knowledge. Farm animals and facts about them. The nose lights up, the puppy talks. AZ Toys, playing to get smart.
Woof!